Sorry about that, but as per usual, my mum had to ring me and cut me off again. Can't do anything without being bloody, you know, got to keep ringing me all the time. Busy. So this is a part 2 now, because obviously she has to keep calling me for some reason. I'm just getting a little bit annoyed now because I've now got to try and stitch that video. She must, you know when I'm... She must obviously know when I'm filming. Every bloody time that happens. God's sake. Oh, I'll get really annoyed now. Why send a screwdriver that won't fit for that screw? You know, it's just stupid things she phones me up about stupid things. She knows what time the train is. I think the only way we're going to get this in is if we take this off. Because this is being a right pain. Doesn't help when the screwdriver keeps falling off. I'm gonna have to take this off. Because otherwise we're gonna be here all day. But that goes into here. Then I might be able to grip it. But that's a screw. Oh. Why won't it just stay on? Just stay on, for God's sake. This is ridiculous. I haven't got a thin enough screwdriver for that type of screw. So annoying. Doesn't even want to screw in. There we go. I think. Has that gone in? Yes, at last. What I'll have to do is when I film, I'm going to have to block her number on iPhone. You can block the number. That way she can't phone. Because I can't, it's just annoyed me now because I've now got to try and, stitch the video. What time is the train? Google it. It's just annoying because, I've now, it's just created 2 videos. She has a phone. I don't know why she just can't type into Google and... There we go. Right, that's that one. Let's quickly do this one. Always make it harder for myself as well. So put this one into here. And if it's round the opposite side of the screw, I don't, if that screw's supposed to be this way, or I don't really care, as long as it's on. Right, word of advice here is use a different screwdriver for these thin ones. They're a pain to get on. look on it. I'm really getting annoyed now. It's just so annoying because I've got things to do. Doesn't help when the screw don't stay still either. Just going to take this off camera slightly just so I can try and get it in and kickstart it. There we go. No, it's gone through that side. Okay, finally that's gone in. And if it's round the wrong way, then it's round the wrong way, because all it's there for is to hold the screw on, so I'm not too bothered. There we go. So that's them two finally on, and that's obviously some sort of bracket thing that we're going to be using. That's how it looks like. We're going to put the screw back, NP back in here, and I'm going to grab a cup of tea after that. But yeah, so that will go into here. Like so, we've got some other bits and pieces here, and that one can go in there. But that's it till, I'll just double check it again, make sure I'm correct. But yeah, so obviously that's how it looks, and then obviously we've done this part, put the carpet in, put these two parts onto there, screwed them in, screwed that in, and then obviously screwed these on. We haven't been instructed to put screws in them yet, but that's how it's looking. So obviously these will connect to something a little bit further down the line, but yeah, that is that issue done and dusted, and what a beautiful, beautiful piece it is. But anyway, if you want to subscribe to this, head over to IXO Collections and get this. The first package is £20, and yeah, it really is a lovely, lovely build. But until next time, next Wednesday, we'll be doing the next issue number 2 of the Apline, brought to you by IXO Collections. And until then, see you then. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.